Hey Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. Let's talk today about migrating Chief Architect files from one computer to the other. All the files you want so that you keep your libraries and settings in order on the new computer. Let's get started. So I want to move my Chief Architect setup from one computer to another. And in my case, I'm moving from Macintosh to PC, so it's a little trickier. I want to start off in my Finder in Mac here, and I'm going to go to the Go menu and go to Folder, or Shift-Command-G. I'm going to type in /library/application support, just like this here on your screen, complete with the capitalizations and the spaces, and we'll go there. Under application support, you can click on Chief Architect Premier version X12 is my version, whatever version you're migrating, and I'm going to copy the bonus libraries. I'm going to copy manufacturer data, I'm going to copy manufacturer libraries, and referenced files. What I ended up having to do was zip these folders and move them because they were quite large, and transfer them from one computer to the other. Whether you do that over Wi-Fi or USB, that's up to you. I did it by Wi-Fi and did file sharing and logged into the Mac from the PC. USB, you have to be careful and make sure you format the USB or external drive in NTFS, I think, is the system, because Windows doesn't recognize the Mac file system. So there's some tricks to that. I'll let you look that up elsewhere. I did it, but I'm not an expert at that. I should also mention that we need to also go to the Documents folder on the Mac, or My Documents on a PC. Is by standard, that's the default location to Chief installs these next files. So under Documents, or My Documents, you're going to find Chief Architect Premier X12 data. From there, I copied, under Database Libraries, I copied the User Library Caleb file. You can also copy your Textures folder, any patterns you might have. Backdrops, I didn't have any. Hotkeys, the user hotkeys XML file. And toolbars. I copied all of these toolbars. So once you've got these files copied over to the same folder structure in the PC, then you can open up Chief Architect X12 on that. When you're working on the PC side of things, you want to use from the Documents folder in the Backdrops, Database Libraries, Hotkeys, Textures, and Toolbars, and Templates if you wish as well. Match up the appropriate files to the appropriate folders from your first computer. Whether you're going from Mac to PC, PC to PC, or PC to Mac, these folders need to remain the same under the Chief Architect Premier X12 data folder. On the PC, you will need to go to your your Finder here, or not Finder, the file browser, and click in the area to change the drive here. We're going to type %program data. Now you'll find Chief Architect Premier X12. Once again, that's the version I'm using right now. And this is where you copy your bonus libraries. Core libraries will automatically download, so don't worry about that. Manufacturer data, manufacturer libraries, and referenced files. I did not use anything with the program data folder. Do not change the don't change.dat file. As it says, don't change it. Once you copy all of those, you've got all your user catalogs, manufacturer catalogs, bonus catalogs, hotkeys, toolbars, etc. are already ready to go. Copy these files when Chief Architect is closed, then reopen them, and you'll find all that information there. I hope this information has been helpful. Have a great day.